Very, very simple. Don't be scared. Looking at this question is very, very simple. How are you going to solve it? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. It's very, very important. Now, look at this question. How are you going to solve it? It's very, very simple. Look at it very well. Now, what do we have? We have x raised to power x root x equal to x root x raised to power what? Raised to power x. Now, the question asks us to find the value of what? X. Let's just say find the value of x. That is the question. How are you going to solve this? The first thing you have to know is that we have x raised to power x raised to power 1 is still the same thing as what? X times x raised to power this. Now you have root a is the same thing as what? A raised to power 1 over 2. So this root x is the same as what? X raised to power 1 over 2 equal to x raised to power 1 times x raised to power 1 over 2, everything raised to power what? X. Now from this we have x. From law of indices we are going to take one x, then we add the power. So we say that x, and we say that we have 1 over 2. We say that 1 plus 1 over 2 equal to x. From this one also we are going to take one x, then you add the power. So we have what? You have x 1 over 2 plus 1, everything is power what? X. Now 1 over 2 plus 1 is very, very simple, and that is what? 3 over 2. So you can do it here. X is power x raised to power what? 3 over 2 equal to x is power 3 over 2, everything is power what? X. And don't forget, one law from indices is that if you have a raised to power m, everything raised to power n. It's the same thing as what? A raised to power mn. You can multiply this and this. So you can multiply this and this together. So what do we have? You have x is power x, x is power x is power 3 over 2 equal to x is power 3 over 2 times x. And that will give you what? That will give you x is power 3 over 2x. And we have what? X is power what? X is power 3 over 2. This x can cancel this x. After that, what do we have? You have something like this. You have x raised to power 3 over 2 equal to what? 3 over 2x. Let me write it very well so that you are going to get it. It's very simple. 3 over 2x. Now look at this x can multiply this 3 here. So it's what? It's 3x over 2. It's still the same thing as 3 over 2x. Now from here, what are you going to do? We can divide both sides by what? By x again. Now if you divide both sides by x, what do we have? So we have x is power 3 over 2 divided by x equal to 3 over 2x divided by what? Divided by x. So we have x here, we have x here. This x is power what? 1. Let's just say divide both sides by what? By x. So that we are going to get it very well. So we have take one x here. Then you do what? You subtract the powers. You have 3 over 2 minus 1 equal to, now 3x over 2. This division, change it to times. You have times, and this x. So if you change to what? 1 over x. You have 1 over x. X here cancels what? X here. What do you now have here? You have x is power. Now 3 over 2 minus 1 is the same thing as what? 1 over 2 equal to. So what do you have? You have 3 over 2 here. Now from there now, what are you going to do? It's very, very simple. Now this thing is the same thing as root x from this. So root x equal to 3 over 2. Now how can you cancel this root? You can square both sides. So squaring both sides. Now if you do that, you have root x, everything square equal to 3 over 2, everything what? Square. So this square we cancel square root. So your x now equal to 9 over 4. This final answer.